Do you like my hair? So guys, let me show you the hair care routine that I've been doing with my daughter for the past 4 weeks that has completely transformed her hair from looking like this to what it is now. Her scalp was very fragile, especially towards the front, and the hair was scanty too. Even her hairline was receding. If you're interested, please don't go anywhere. Let me show you our amazing weekly routine and all the products that we use. So step 1, I take out her hair. To do that, I use a spray bottle to moisturize the hair. In the spray bottle, I've got water, any oil. I mostly use either avocado oil or coconut oil and some leave-in conditioner to really moisturize. I use my fingers to gently detangle and take out the hair. Step 2, I deep condition. I use fenugreek powder, leave-in conditioner and some hair mayonnaise, and I give it a really good mix. And then guys, I take this piece of goodness and I give my daughter a really good head massage. Not only will this massage help to relax your baby and give her better sleep, it stimulates blood flow to the scalp. As you can see, I'm emphasizing on those fragile areas, those scalps, those areas where there's barely no hair, so that blood circulation can be stimulated, leading to hair growth. This is where the magic is, guys. I do this for a good 10 minutes, and by the time I'm done, my daughter's already yawning and ready for a good nap. Then I put it in a plastic cap and I take her straight to bed. So guys, she was gone for a good 3.5 hours. So once she woke up, I washed her hair, I gave her a good bath, and I gave her something small to eat, leaving enough room for all the snacks that I'm going to be providing during the time that I'm doing her hair. My favorite go-to snack are rice flakes because they're so tiny. It gives me enough time to make progress with her hair before she needs anything else or she needs more. So I always start by partitioning her hair into 4 parts. Then I start off with the back and I proceed gently to the front. So I take each section and I gently moisturize. I use my fingers to work through all the knots as I gently detangle them so that it's easy for me when I'm ready to start braiding. I make my own hair lotion using some simple products that I buy on Amazon. I'm gonna put the links in the description below. You can watch the video on your screen to see how I make her hair lotion and what products I use. Once I've detangled with my fingers, I can now use a wide tooth comb just to comb through the edges, making sure I'm holding tight onto the bottom so it doesn't hurt. One extremely important thing is to pay attention to your child's cues. As you can see, as soon as I started, she wasn't interested. So I had to go back. I made sure she was comfortable. I refilled her rice flakes and now she was comfortable and she let me carry on doing her hair. So guys, throughout this process, I continue to use the spray bottle with the water, leave-in conditioner and oil in it because I wanted her hair to be extremely moisturized and a little bit wet when I braid it. That way, it is less painful and less pressure on her hair. One other thing that I find really useful is having my 3-year-old with me when I do his sister's hair. He always serves as a really good source of entertainment for her. So if you've got another sibling, get them involved, let them act as some sort of a distraction and a sort of entertainment for your daughter whilst you do her hair. Okay, now let me show you something I do with my daughter's hair once I'm done with the strand of braid. So when I get towards the end of the braid, instead of twisting it into 3 like a braid, I do a twist instead. So that way it's a lot easier for me to take out. So guys, once I'm done with the back, I move to the next section and I repeat the same process. So before I show you the end product, I want to share with you some things that I did in the past that caused all the damage on my daughter's hair so that you can avoid these things also on your child. The biggest mistake I made was using rubber bands on my daughter's hair. These things are dangerous, guys, and can cause significant tension on the hair, leading to breakage, especially at the point where the bands are tied. I see a lot of people using it on their kids' hairs and I'm just like, please stop it. Secondly, depending on how tight the rubber band is, it can pull the scalp, causing a lot of pain and irritation and potential damage to their hair follicles. You know that those little rash that you see around your daughter's hair when you do her hair with a rubber band? That's irritation and that's not good. Please stop using these rubber bands. Worst part is, these rubber bands can easily get tangled into Afro textured hair, making it very difficult to remove without causing further damage to the hair and pain. The next most important thing, guys, is to have a consistent hair care routine. Don't just wing it with your child. I have a weekly routine with my daughter. We do the same thing every week. She knows what to expect, and for that reason, I have a lot less resistance from her. I really like this routine because it allows her time in between to take a break before we come back to it. Give it a go, please, and let me know how you get on in the comment section. Or better still, just do what works for you, but have one in place, okay? Finally, guys, always keep your child's hair moisturized. Now we're talking aftercare. Every single day after you've done your daughter's hair, make sure you keep it moisturized. You can use a spray bottle or whatever other method that you find easiest. So that's it, guys. By the time we got to the end, my little princess was so tired she would not let me take a close-up video or a picture to show you guys what it looked like. But the next morning, once she was up bright and early, I was able to take some good shots for you. I hope you've liked this video. I hope you've enjoyed my routine, and if you give it a go, let me know how you get on. And if you haven't also subscribed to my channel, please do, and I will see you on the next video. Say bye.